How to enable or disable set screen timeout to 30 seconds on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So you will see battery is here, so click on battery. Now here you will see first option is power saving, so click on power saving. So make sure power saving button is turned on. So after turn on power saving button, you will see set screen timeout to 30 seconds is here. So if you want to disable set screen timeout to 30 seconds, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see set screen timeout to 30 seconds is disabled. So if you want to enable set screen timeout to 30 seconds, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see set screen timeout to 30 seconds is enabled. So you will enable or disable set screen timeout to 30 seconds from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable screen timeout to 30 seconds in power saving on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.